All right, so 10.2 here. Again, you can see the plan for the week up on the board. But you'll notice it's called 10.2 here, area model inside out. We've talked a lot about area models. Now it's going to give you more of the inside. You got to figure out the outside. So nothing really new on it. A little more of just thinking backwards, basically, is what we're gearing towards until we get to factoring later this week. So the first one there, can anybody tell me what the left side should be on that blank? X, right? Because x times x is what would give you x squared. X times 4 would give you the 4x. And x times y. Okay, how about 2? See any of the blanks for 2?
P should be on the top left. Yep.
There's already a p on the top left. Oh, here?
Yeah. And then
Because 3 times p, right?
Yeah.
And then this would be a 7?
Yeah. Then that other blank should be
P squared, very good. How about 3?
Z on top of the 5YZ.
No.
5Z.
5z.
5Z. Then Y squared in between those Y's.
So far, so good.
And then 7Y and with the 7 the Y. And then
6. Then 6Y.
Very good. Last one.
Okay. 2 for X.
Mel, we're on page 7.
X and X.
X and x to give you x squared, yep.
-4 should be negative. Top right. Negative 4x.
Very good. All right, question number 5. It says, write an algebraic statement represented by each area model in 2 ways, multiplication and division. So multiplication just means I'm multiplying the left side and the top to get the middle. So I'm just rewriting x and x plus 4 plus y. That equals the middle. So there's one blank to fill out there on the right side. X squared plus 4x plus xy. Division.
Can you zoom in?
Yep. Division. So x squared plus 4x plus xy, that's the middle, right, in those boxes. These are just from the left side. Divided by x plus 4 plus y, that's the top. What's left?
4x.
So if I take the middle and I divide it by the top,
X.
I get the left side. X is correct. So you're still using those diagrams there to the left. Do one more, then I'm going to have you try 2. Question 6. What goes in the parentheses? What do I multiply together to give me p squared plus 10p plus 21?
What's in P.7?
Yeah, here's where the p squared plus 10p plus 21 came from. What do I multiply to give me this? What's this and what's this?
7 and P3.
Yeah, p plus 7 and p plus 3. Order doesn't matter. So again, if I take the middle and divide it by p plus 7, so I take the middle and I divide it by a p plus 7, what's left?
P3.
P plus 3. All right, why don't you try the next 2? Use those diagrams to help yourselves out.
just remember, when you combine like two the same ones, do you add them or times them? Like how you combine, you circle them. So like how these two are the same. You circle them.
Combine, add. Got a melody?
It doesn't make sense.
Y plus 7, that's this, times what? Well, it would be the top right here.
So why is that this? And then
Now, what goes in for y's? How many y's do I have there from my diagram?
3, 4,
Just y's.
2.
And what's the value of those y's?
13.
13. 6y and 7y is 13y.
Why doesn't the y squared count?
It would have to just be a y squared. Eh? Has to be the exact same to be like terms. All right, division.
I have that one.
Okay, go ahead.
13y plus y squared plus 5yz plus 35z plus 42 divided by y plus 52
That's a 5z.
or 5z plus 6.
Yeah. So it's the inside divided by the top gives you the left side. Last one, multiplying. You got an x plus 8. You got an x minus 4. How many x's do I have on this one?
2,
And what's the value?
4,
4x. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8x minus 4x. 4x. Division problem. So again, I'm going to take the middle, which you just told me was x squared minus 4 or plus 4x minus 32. Divide it by, you want to divide it by the top or the left side?
the
Top. So I'm dividing it by x minus 4. And that's going to equal? Lando? So here's the middle. Here's what I'm dividing it by. What's left?
The x and 8.
X plus 8. Bottom of the page, where does product appear? Where does a product appear in our area models? Remember what product means?
what you get from multiplication.
Yeah, the answer for multiplication. So where does the answer for multiplication show up in our boxes?
In the box.
In the boxes, in the middle. No, I can show an example if you want. Those are all the answers. Where do the factors show up?
Outside of the box.
Outside of the boxes. Probably could be a little more specific and say top and left. How do I write my equations? All right, well, to write multiplying, I'm going to take the top times the left side. Okay, top times the left side equals the middle of the boxes. Any division problem, I'm going to take the middle of the boxes, divide it by the top, and get the left. So middle of the boxes divided by the top, get the left. Or middle of the boxes divided by the left to get the top. Kind of wish they would have had that before yesterday's homework or Friday's homework. That would have probably been helpful in writing those equations. But I wanted you to find the patterns on your own. Bless you. Got her, Madison?
Yep.
Next page. do one together here, and I'll have you try the other three. Melody, pick one. 12, 13, 14, or 15? 15. A times what equals a squared?
A.
So that goes on top.
So then under the A squared would be 10A. And then 10 to get to 40 would be 4. So it'd be A4 or 4A.
Okay, can you give me the other factor? A times 10, or A plus 10 times?
4. No. A times A plus 4.
A plus 4. And what's that equal? Now, what do I have on the inside?
10A.
Gotta start with the A squared.
A squared.
Now let's combine these. I don't want to write them twice.
14A. And then 40.
There you go.
Got it.
That's it. All right, try the other three. Kind of like working a puzzle here is what you're doing.
Today's like the only day we'll have to work all week long.
Why?
We get the board.
It's not just for the seventh graders.
Look at algebra.
We have our own section. I was looking over there and not over here.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm almost done. I got 13.
Okay, come do 13 on here.
Can I do 14?
Sure. I need somebody for 12.
I do.
Okay, come on up.
I'm sorry. Go Maddie, got this. Can you her hand is little.
Stop it! You guys are weird looking at mine.
No, my Gabe called me baby hands up until like 7th grade, so I have really chubby small hands. Maddie, you didn't fill in the bottom right here.
Give me a minute.
Do the bottom. Yeah, fine. I like the way she writes her U's. She doesn't have that extra line. Good job. Go, Maddie.
See, this is the one thing I actually don't understand. Plus it's... These have been my only favorite thing in math.
I'm just now understanding it.
Say this is your favorite thing?
Ta-da!
This is my
I thought it was
favorite
those
thing.
boxes.
These are the boxes.
No, I mean with the shapes and the 3x3 where you gotta find the pattern.
The number.
Yeah.
Oh, is that where like you have a whole bunch of numbers you
Yeah.
solve? Yeah, those are my favorite too. These?
Well, they're all your favorites.
Those are the shape different
I like the boxes with the numbers, and I like the ones where like they have.
Does it bother you
3
that you're being
times
recorded and people
y
go watch this for a
times
thing?
4
Yeah.
times
Is mine
0
right?
equals 5.
All right, let's check it.
No, those are the funny.
Check your own.
I'm blind.
Got them all right. I'm good.
Ow! Me too. Actually, I didn't get to.
I got one issue with 14.
No!
Let's go.
I got one issue with
What's
14.
20x?
It's 20.
Let's go. Let's go. Got them all right.
9 plus 11. So you had it right when it said 19, and you had it right when it says 20. That's amazing, Landon.
Go, Landon!
That's amazing.
Pay attention that you're 19.
My nines kind of look like A's, so.
Did you do that one?
Yeah.
Did you see why that's 20?
Kira, why do you have AX?
No, I can't do
I
math.
mean,
Why do you have AX on there?
Yeah.
All right.
It says AX.
for what?
I don't know what I was thinking.
I didn't do that.
She said.
All right, the middle of the page here, Landon, says area models show how to organize multiplication on two factors to find their product. Again, you can always use these boxes if you find them helpful. When we divide, we start with the product and one factor. That means starting with the middle and either the top or left side. When we factor an area model, we start with only the product inside the model and find the two factors. Okay, so for instance, this one is multiplication, right? 4 times 5j is 20j. 4 times -7.
-1.
Nope.
Oh, yeah,
7, 14, 21, 28.
-28. 17 shows you if you have the middle, the product, and one factor. Let's get the other factor.
8W is the top, and then it goes to 9.
Okay, somebody other than Mel for 18, please.
okay,
Go land.
Now this one
4.
doesn't give me either factor.
4.
I know it. Like, I was gonna say this, but like, obviously,
I know it.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'm done.
5.
I'm just gonna let everyone else do it. I'm not doing it.
10.
Or 10, I did know it.
Yeah, that's one way.
Or the multiple.
You also could have done 8 and 3x and 5 as well.
Oh, you can.
You know, if I'd have made this 8 and 3x and 5.
Oh, it's both of them away.
So let's do one of the bottom ones here. They're all going to be the same. I have to come up with the factor. It says use the product to find two factors that work. Write one equation, either multiplying or dividing. So which one would you like to do together?
Can I say them all? Because I just did them all.
Give me one, Landon.
20.
Okay, what do you got?
A, Y.
Where?
Oh, wait, I gotta explain it. Like, adding in them? Like,
Where? Tell me what I got.
oh, you have A on the left side.
Okay.
And then Y and X on the top.
All right, now did you write the equations?
A, plus,
Nope, times.
or times Y, X, plus those equal A, Y, and then plus X,
AX.
AX.
Yeah, I gotta make sure you include all the letters. Now I also could have done a division problem.
We all just make up here.
We're blind.
There would be another one. It does just ask for one. Okay, so I'd like you to do the other three.
I'm about to fail.
Write one equation when you're done.
This was
Landon, you already did one. Madison, why don't you do 19,
Oh my.
21,
Killing me.
22.
Okay.
You're still alive.
Paul, I don't know about that no more.
All right, try it.
Do we also need to write the equation?
Yes.
I got 22. Wait, what am I doing?
22 is easy.
Shut up.
We're all the same, guys. Let's not bicker. Just do your problem. Lip sealed other than that.
What are you doing?
I did on it.
Is mine like the
I'm
same,
done.
but it's going up and down?
I did all
They're
your
all the
guys'
same.
problems. I wish these were on assignments every day.
No.
I could
no.
do that, yeah. I have all your guys' problems done.
I have mine done. I'm working on.
I'm gonna go to the next page.
Madison, go ahead and put yours on there, then you can finish while the other ones are working.
Okay.
Remember, you gotta write one equation with it.
I think I got
Can
it.
I
but
do
I'm also
both
very
equations? Because
unsure.
I did one multiply and one divide.
Just one, whatever your choice is.
Okay.
Directions just say one.
I'm not very confident in this.
70 squared and 7.
Go Maddie. Go Maddie. Go Maddie.
Go.
There are
Go,
different options you
Go,
can have.
go. I feel bad for whoever watching this. I'm being very loud at least.
Hopefully Landon doesn't put his head in the camera again.
Yeah.
What happened?
Landon likes to say hello to people.
Okay, next.
I know I didn't, because the
I did it
camera's
when
right.
Kira was
I'm
gone, but it
sorry,
wasn't
my
even
handwriting
recording.
kind of sucks. Oh, the camera's right here.
I left my pencil up there. What did I do?
I'm not mean.
I've already had an apple chucked at me today during lunch. So,
Questioning why though?
talk to Iron. Oh, and Connor. Connor was playing with crutches today.
But Landon sneezed all. Ivan
sneezed
sneezed all over us.
yeah,
That's
all over his
disgusting.
table. Our table, yeah.
That's
I
disgusting.
was like, no, go shoo.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Melody, you did
Gross
something wrong
things.
with question 22.
Be quiet.
I'm just.
What did I do wrong?
Go ahead.
Just finish the problem.
Let's continue. We'll talk about it. Land and embassy.
Okay.
There are different ways to do it.
I got this way wrong. It's okay.
Oh my goodness. This is getting me. It's nothing with your equation.
Kira, last one.
I'm not confident in that.
Not confident?
No, not really.
Why? Because I said something.
Yes. I don't know how to do these. It's my first time ever doing this.
These are
Because
fun.
you didn't do the assignment you were supposed to on Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Don't pencil.
Drawing pencils is not nice.
Yeah. We learned from experience, what, 2 weeks?
Yes, how?
All right, let's see how we did.
You should have learned your lesson.
Who did the first one?
I did.
All right, that one looks good.
Yay.
Who did 21?
Kira.
I did.
That looks good. Last one.
Hang on.
One thing wrong.
Did I miss the M at the 4?
Well, 4 times m is not 4m squared.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta put a square on the M.
All you had to do is change that.
Hang on, let me write these down.
Oh, so it's
I did so good!
No, you just got 2.
Be quiet, I'm proud. I messed up on one tiny
do I
thing.
have to write down that long?
problem. Okay, now be
Probably
quiet.
should.
All right, next page.
Or not.
23.
That's a number.
Now they're starting to give you a little more complex problem,
That's what they're trying. Okay.
but I know a number that goes into 20 and 28 is
4.
4. So I'm going to put a 4 out front.
I knew that.
And I also notice they all have a Y, so I'm going to put a Y out front too.
4Y, yeah.
And then
Yeah, so
5
whatever they have in
X.
common, I'm going to do that. So up on top would be
5x.
and
7.
Nope.
It's negative
Negative
7.
7.
negative 7. Not Y, we already have the Y.
Oh, yeah, negative 7.
Let's do 24 as well, same thing. So again, let's see what they have in common. What is a number I can pull out of 48 and 72?
8. 10.
Can't pull a 10 out. I can do an 8. Can do an 8. Can I pull any letters out of there?
No.
X.
Well,
They both do not have an X, so no X
X
comes
gotta go
out.
on the top.
but
So no, the answer is no. I can't pull anything else out. So 8 times what is 40, negative 48X?
negative 6x. And then it'd be a 9.
There you go.
I'm getting the hang of it. Without Landon making me double guess myself. Are we doing 25?
Okay.
No, let's skip 25.
No! So mean.
There's a more complicated one on the bottom that we'll do, Landon.
Oh, yeah! 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 We got to do 30.
26. 26.
I'm getting lit.
26. 26. Landon,
Yeah.
stop on 30. 26. My digits add up to 4.
Give me a 3 and a 1. 2. The product. Yeah, I was right. 3 and 1.
They multiply together to give you 3. And U is smaller than T, so what order?
They're 3, 1.
Has to be 3 and 1.
Oh, I just.
U is smaller, so it can't be 1.
Oh, I got that off the first clue.
Okay, next one. U is less than or equal to T. I add my digits, get 10, but I multiply to get 16.
8 and 2.
What order?
2 and 8. Yeah. Because T is bigger. It should be 8, 2.
Has to be 8, 2 then. All right, let's do 28 as well. Again, I'm looking for things that can come out of x squared and negative 5x. Looks like I can take an x out. So that's where I'm going to start. What goes on top?
X.
To the right?
Negative 5. So then the bottom will be a 3 and then be a 3x.
Looks good.
Go team.
I think you guys got those figured out.
Yep.
All right, try number 30.
Okay.
No.
How much minutes do we have on this?
I'll give you a few.
Okay. Oh boy.
like everything is almost the
I got
same.
one
Like all the
more.
corners are the same.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are.
4 multiply, 4 multiply, and then 180 multiply. Then
No, but
that's
no, you
and
can't do
18
that.
multiply.
Man,
It's no man, stop writing answers. You can't be doing that.
I'm just, okay. Don't look up here then.
You can't be doing that.
I was
Don't look up at the board or TV.
You can't be looking.
I know.
What is he doing? Are you writing the numbers that's used?
Yeah.
Mrs. Milgram,
Those are the
please stop.
choices.
Please
5
stop,
plus
Mrs.
6 is
Milgram.
don't
yellow.
look up there. Turn around.
So I'm
It's
just putting
impossible,
choices. I don't know
because
the
it's not fair
order.
to you guys, because then you guys can just all get it right by looking up at his stuff.
Fine, I won't look at his stuff no more.
Okay. We have a problem.
Yeah, I have a problem.
If you have 1 for 1, you can have 1, but for 6 multiply.
And take the negative 1 in itself. Oh,
Okay.
Huh?
I guess that works too.
Anything really works out.
It multiplies together to give you 180. 36 times 5. Is that 180?
I have no idea.
This thing is huge.
Yes.
For 180, would a 5, a 6, and a 5 work?
Yep.
I had it. I'm actually doing really good by looking at the board. The bottom.
And then the middle numbers between on the first row have to be 4 and 3. So we don't know which one.
Here?
Yeah. So there's
You already have a 4.
So,
Oh well.
6.
I use 2, 2, 1.
I got a row.
Yo.
I got a row.
Yeah, I got roll 2 here.
I did 2, 5.
Yeah, these got to be 2 and 3 here.
Yeah.
So then I missed.
18 would be a 3.
I'm not doing just that.
I suppose we know this one.
Yeah, good.
Yep.
Yeah. It's
Oh.
just.
Well, not necessarily.
2 and
Could be 3, 2. This would be 5, 3.
Yeah.
Or it could be 3, 5, 3, 2.
But don't forget you got that 11 over there. That'll put you there.
I don't know the order of that one. No, that's not 18.
It's literally the exact
That's
same
12.
thing.
That's 12. It's got to be 3, 2, 3.
I got 2 rows. I'm on a roll.
Good job, Kira.
Thank
so
you.
proud of you, Kara.
And then the subtract 1 at the bottom. Can you do 6, 5?
Yeah.
And then have.
Yeah, I don't know if that's 6, 5 or 5, 6 yet.
I have 4, 6.
I have a 6, 5.
I'm.
I had done something wrong. Oh, now I'm scared.
What gives you 10? 5, 2, 1?
Yeah.
So there's a 1 here, so 1 has to go here.
Oh, I did that wrong too.
There'll be a 5 here, so 5 has to go here, 2 here.
Which means.
Which means this has to be a 2.
Yeah.
This has to be a 5. There we go. Now we're rolling.
Go for it. You guys are doing it right.
And then.
So this has to be 5 here.
They already
I'm done. So
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yeah, you just got the middle row, but then you do the 4 and the 6. So you do right by the between
Oh,
the
and
5
the
and the 1,
15
you do the
multiply?
4, and then between
The
the 2
15
and the 6.
multiply?
Then
You
the
have
2
to
and the
have the
5,
5
you do
on top.
6.
So this has to be a 6.
Yep. And then top of that would be 4.
That's correct. That's what I got.
And then
too.
the
So this has to be a 3.
Yeah, and
15
then 2 on
multiply
top.
has to be 5, 3.
Yep, and then it
5,
goes
3?
3.
5, 3, yeah. Because there's already 5.
Yep.
Why do you? I wish we all could do it separately. I wish
So this
we
must
could
have to be 5, 6.
Yeah.
Now the limit.
Okay, what gives us 18? 6, 3, 1.
Yep.
Yeah. But
So then 1 has to go here.
Are you in there?
that won't work.
1, 2, 3. This has to be a 4.
This has to be 2 here.
And then 2, 3.
Done.
Got it.
Yeah.
Took a little longer than we wanted.
I mean,
A lot to
it was
work
fun,
through. That was probably the biggest one that we've done.
though. It
Yeah.
was fun though.
I liked it.
It was easy.
All right. This
I wish
is
they had, like fractions in that thing. That would be awesome.
this is 2 pages. A lot of models, so they do take up some room. Fill in the blank. You know how to do that. It does say, maybe underline this so you don't forget. Write an equation with it. It's up your choice if you want to do multiplication or division. 1 equation.
And it's our homework.
1. Next page. 2 parts to these.
What? That was just that.
Excuse me?
I told you at the beginning that there was 2 pages.
You did? I didn't
Look
listen.
at the whiteboard. It's 10 long.
And also you have the sheet that's front and back in your possession.
So
But
what
this
did we
is
cross
2
off?
parts.
I don't think we crossed off any.
Can we cross off one?
Yeah.
No.
I probably do.
Nope.
Let's remember.
This one is 2 parts. Fill in the blank and then draw which one it matches. So this one it says matches I. So y plus 1. The top is going to be filled in. Obviously you know what it's going to be just by looking at it. You could already put that in there. But fill in these and write what it matches. So let's do letter K together. What goes on top of K?
Y.
And?
20.
Either box, please.
20Y, and then there's 1Y.
Okay, let's write what that equals. Said it matches I. Y squared plus 21y plus 20. That's the inside. Divided by the left side of y plus 1. What's left?
21.
What's left? Here's the middle. Here's the left side. What's left?
Y plus 20.
This one.
Oh, yeah, my bad. I was blanking out.
Which other one doesn't match?
The Y1. No, that actually, never mind.
This one right here. The 3. Y plus 1. Here.
Oh, so it was right.
Y plus 20. Here. What's it equal? Y squared plus 21y's plus 20.
I gotta stop second guessing myself. I had it right. I said, no, that wouldn't be right.
So obviously those other 2 are going to match the bottom one. They're all going to come from that diagram. So not very difficult, especially when it's multiple choice like that.